Olha esse vídeo.
Years later, 6.5 hours later, a few inches later, day 2, day 3, day 4, a few moments later, 1 eternity later, 3 days later, 12 seconds later, 3:28 a.m., 3 weeks later, many months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Tomorrow for sure. Eventually, 12 o'clock midnight. 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, 2 hours later, 8:01 p.m. the next day. Later, 20 minutes later, 6 hours later. Later that same evening, several days later, 6 months later, 2 hours later, 1 minute, 37 seconds later, 1 debt to society later, 4 to 6 weeks later, 1 pair of pants later, 8 hours later, 298 frozen patties later, 3 hours later, the next day, 10 seconds later, 346 minutes later, much later, 3 days later, opening night later, 3,000 years later, 3 days later, 48 hours later, 8 hours later, the following Thursday, 5 minutes later, 24 hours later, much later, much later, 7 hours later, a little longer than a few minutes later, 2 hours later, 3 days later, 15 minutes later, several months later, thousands of tears later, 16 paranoia-filled days later, 2 hours later, much later, yesterday, many hours later, 75 years later, 2 hours later, 1 extremely annoying shift later, 2 very boring minutes later, 3 hours later, 1 winner later, the following day, meanwhile, later, approximately 10 hours later, early the next morning, 1 shift later, 2 weeks later, 11 minutes later, 5 minutes later, a lot of boring math later, 24 hours later, 1 week later, 1 long angry line later, 72 hours later, 2 hours later. Just then, by sheer coincidence, the next moment.
3 dias depois, 2000 anos depois, 6 horas e meia depois, alguns centímetros depois, segundo dia, terceiro dia, quarto dia, alguns momentos depois, uma eternidade depois, 3 dias depois, 12 segundos depois, 3:28 da manhã, 3 semanas depois, muitos meses depois.
Passou tanto tempo que o velho narrador cansou de esperar e tiveram de chamar um novo.
Amanhã. Amanhã com certeza. Um dia, quem sabe? Meia-noite naquele dia. 1 hora depois. 2 horas depois. 3 horas depois. Aguarde, por favor. Enquanto isso, 2 horas depois. 8 horas e 1 minuto. No dia seguinte, mais tarde, 20 minutos depois, 6 horas depois, depois de muito bate-boca.
Qual é melhor, o primeiro ou o segundo? Eu gosto mais do segundo, porque eu gosto de brasileiro. Uau!